Hey there, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Trade by Numbers. I hope you're having a fantastic Friday. Let's see what we can do to cap the week off and have ourselves some great numbers. So, if you're new to the channel, my name is Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, hit that subscribe button for me. Do me a favor, hit the like button. It helps me get these videos out to more people. So let's dive into the market, talk about some plays I'm already making this morning, and let's get you paid. So we have the S&P absolutely tanking this morning, down over 1.5%. Now that's a pretty big drop. Now yesterday morning in my video I said with that huge run up that we had on Wednesday that I expected us to have a little bit of a pullback. Now, we didn't really get that pullback yesterday, but that's fine. I knew coming into Fridays can tend to be a sell-off, especially when you've had big run-ups, so I was not concerned about that. Now, yesterday we only ended up with the S&P down 0.07. Dow was down 0.5%. NASDAQ actually up 0.13. So we end up with the markets kind of flat. That means that we could have ourselves a pretty good pullback today. Now, you've seen me trade this setup before, and I'm going to point it out again. I love to see when the market is just absolutely tanked like this in the pre-market, because there's a very good chance that as the market opens, it's going to get at least a little better. Okay? Now, yesterday, I said I was looking for a little bit of a pullback. I took a position in the SQQQ, bought that at $41. Already sold it this morning at $44. Just absolutely run up. Still sitting $43.92 at this moment. So, very nice little trade right there. Made a nice little ROI real quick. $3 a share. I haven't even figured it up this morning. I literally just sold it, but somewhere in the neighborhood of 7% ish there. So very nice little swing play. If you're not out there, if you're not able to trade daily, a lot of these trades I point out, I day trade, so it's in and out in an hour. And then we have trades like the SQQQ that I brought to you yesterday that's more of a swing play, buy today, sell tomorrow kind of thing. I want to make sure that everyone out there is making money. So I'm not only going to bring you little quick day trades and you can't be out there day trading and can't take advantage of that. So I try to bring you a mixture of both. However, talking about day trades, I love these setups where the market is just absolutely tanked in the pre-market, because it means there's a very good chance that the market's going to come up. If the market's at 1% at open, that's 0.5% better than it is right now. And that gives us the ability to look at things like perhaps shorting the SQQQ or buying into the TQQQQ. That is down over 6.5% in the pre-market. The T triple Q is down over 6.5%. Now, that is a huge percentage down. So if the market improves just a little bit going into open, then you've made a quick little amount of change there just, in the next 30-40 minutes. And that's why I love to see these setups, and it's one of those setups I really want you to be able to watch, because rarely does the market open up and just go worse than it already is when it's already down over 1%, in this case over 1.5%. So that is one of those setups I absolutely love. Now let's get into, if the market does continue to sell off today, if we get that little bounce right at open and then we sell off and maybe we end up down 1.5-2% on the day, what am I going to be looking at? Well, there's a lot of stocks I could be looking at, but one of the ones I'm going to be keeping an eye on today is going to be American Rebel, and that is ticker symbol AREB. Now they're currently sitting right at 25 cents. However, they have a resistance line right at 22 cents. Now I'd love to see them come down, test that resistance, and bounce off of it. If I could get a good test off the 22 and get a little bounce, then I think there could be a good little chance there. If you could pick up some American Rebel there, then we could see that bounce right back up to 25, 26 cents very easily and make a nice ROI on that transaction. So I'm going to be keeping my eye on them. I'm also going to be keeping my eye and see how crypto's doing today and watching my Coinbase stocks. I love trading Coinbase. We've made a lot of money with Coinbase. Right now, we've got Coinbase down in the pre-market. Huge. We're down to 43.50 looks like. So we're down here around 43.50. If the market continues to sell off today and crypto manages to kind of hold, or if it does tank accordingly, then we could see Coinbase test down there around the 42 range, which could be a nice buying opportunity. The charts are set up for crypto to potentially have themselves a little pop over the weekend. If that happens and we can pick up some Coinbase to sell on Monday and let that run up to $3, that could be a really nice trade. We also have oil by the barrel still going up. Right now we've got IMPP up on the day. However, if we was to get a pullback, we've already seen it trading down in the low 34 cents, but down in the 33-cent range could be something we could look at if we have a bad day. But 33, 34 cents, very good chance for us to get a pop on Monday and be looking at 35, 36 cents, which would be a fantastic ROI. Now that's some stocks I'm going to be looking at today. Like I said, love this market setup. I'm going to keep this video short, get off here so I can do some more trading. And until this afternoon, be blessed. And remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.